Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to unfreeze your device in case it's been stuck frozen. So in case the display of your device won't move, the only thing that you can do in such case is press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until your device turns off. When the screen of your device turns off, you can release the power button and then press it once again to turn your device back on. And if this doesn't help, you can try to perform a factory reset operation by holding the power button and the refresh button at the same time for a significant period of time until the process begins, or you can just unplug your device from the charging cable and let it discharge by itself and then automatically turn off, and then you can plug in the charging cable back into your laptop and then press the power button to turn it on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.